What's going on? Michael Petty here. So let's jump right into this video. So how do I use Power Lead System? Right? What I use Power Lead System is to create pages, sales pages, training pages for my primary business, which is Exitus Elite. Now, Power Lead System is the backbone of what I do online. Not to take anything from Exitus Elite, as you can see, they have beautiful caption pages. But what I like to do with Power Lead System is brand myself. As you can see, it says the same content on both pages. But I'm allowed to brand myself with Power Lead System because Power Lead System is great for positioning yourself to have people connect with you. On top of that, through Power Lead System, I created a bridge page that has a video of me, talk about me a little bit, why I got inside the online business, and I also create a sales page using Power Lead System for my Exitus Elite business. And this allows me to create a page, which is one of my bonuses, right? You get this same team sales page that I will put together for you if you don't have Power Lead System. Or you can get Power Lead System and create your own page or copy this page and change things around, do whatever you like. With Power Lead System and knowing the power behind having the ability to do whatever you want, when you get somebody started with you in Power Lead System, you earn $20 per member per month plus a 50% matching bonus. So it is an income opportunity. But on top of that, if it was not an income opportunity, I would still use Power Lead System to be the backbone. So why did I choose Exitus Elite as the primary business? First, we get to pick how we get paid, right? There's no limit to who you can earn from because it's a worldwide business. There's no waiting on your money. We get direct, instant commissions. You don't have to wait a week, wait 2 weeks, or wait days to receive your money. It's instant commissions. As soon as we make a sale, the money goes into your account, any account that you choose, PayPal, Zelle, Cash App. You get to choose the way you get paid inside of Exitus Elite. We have a great owner who keeps everything updated. Massive amount of training in the back office of Exitus Elite surrounding online marketing, mentoring, personal development. We have great support in Paul Stevenson. When I had an issue getting somebody started, Jacob Stevenson, who's over support, which is Paul Stevenson's son, had an issue with someone getting started. Jacob Stevenson reached out to me personally. I sent a ticket in the back office. He came to Facebook personally, reached out to me. We got the individual started earning unlimited instant commissions. Paul Stevenson, just to explain the type of owner we have, he took money out of his pocket and put it back in the pocket of affiliates by taking away the yearly fee. It used to be a yearly fee, but now we make one-time payments and make unlimited commissions. Another thing I like about Exitus Elite, if you decide to come in at the lower level, but because maybe you can't come in at the higher level, you come in at the lower level, there's no limit to when you can upgrade. So if you come in at the $100 level, G100, right? You pay $149. $49 goes to the company, $100 goes to your product package, and you want to upgrade to the $250. Even if it's 2 years later, you only pay the difference. Meaning the max you're going to pay to be all in with Exitus Elite is $2,400. Then you're completely all in, no more payments, and you're in position to earn $2,000 payments and instant commissions to the payment processor of your choice. So let me go over the bonuses that you'll get for partnering with me inside of Exitus Elite. You're going to get this team sales page. This team sales page has the 6-minute presentation. This is going to be your link, so your prospect will join you. Is going to have your picture, your contact information, social media, right? Exitus Elite also has a closing team where you can direct people to call that number. They call the number. Exitus Elite will answer the questions, close the sale for you, and send you your commission of 80%. You earn 80% of the commission, and Exitus Elite closed this sale for you. So it's going to have your reference number and your name, right? These links here are going to be tied to your page, right? You get a free bonus, my copy and paste swap file, which if you decide to get in Power Lead System, you're going to get a copy of this, and you can change this from Michael Petty's copy and paste swap file to whatever your name is. Rob Peterson copy and paste file. Alexandria Hamilton copy and paste file. Whatever your name is, you can go through make changes, do whatever you want, because you're going to have that share code if you are part of Power Lead system. Otherwise, you're going to be able to give away my copy and paste swap file. When you partner with me, you get this off the rip. So when you partner with me, you're going to get a mega swap file. This is 6-figure content. You're going to get 3 generational bonus training, 6-figure training from an individual who makes $2,000 on a regular basis. You're going to get this team sales page. Like I said, it's all going to be linked to you. Now, your page will not have these last two. Well, it may have the added to private chat, because we have a private chat for our G1000, G2000 members, where it's additional coaching and you get insider information. I personally, which I probably need to switch this when you, which I'm going to switch these two here. I want to put this at the bottom. I personally get traffic to your link, whatever level you come in. You come at the $100 level, I'm going to help you get traffic to your link. As you upgrade, I'm going to help get traffic to your link. You come at the $2,000 level, I'm going to get you 1,000 clicks to your link. If you decide to get Power Lead System and you go Master Traffic Institute, I will get 500 clicks to your link, whatever link that you want me to get it to. Every time you're upgrading, every time you make a new purchase, I'm going to help get traffic to your link as far as Exitus Elite and Power Lead System. And with Power Lead System on the one-time deals. So yes, so I use Power Lead System to brand myself. I use Power Lead System to build my list. Even in the back office of Power Lead System, you could place a link. You could place the link to your sales page. And if anybody click on the link, because in the back office of Power Lead System, it helps you promote any business that you have outside of the system. Whatever your primary business is, you place that link in the back office, and there's a spot that's on the inside. Let me take you in. There is a spot that's on the inside that allows you to promote it. Once you log into Power Lead System, you got to register for the Fast Start training, show you how to get started fast, show you everything that you need to know, orientation of your Power Lead System, where you get the links and your pages. I stuttered, whatever, which pages and funnels to choose. You can read all these things. Marketing do's and don'ts. Once you get inside, you can read that over. Click here to enter the PLS. Now this part right here. What's up, James Famba? He's my sponsor. Let me tell you the power behind real quick. So I didn't even know I was under James Famba. What happened was I came in as Lead Lightning first, which was somebody completely different, right? When I upgraded to gold, my sponsor changed because the person who was Lead Lightning did not upgrade, which shows you may want to get the highest level as possible, period, in Power Lead System and inside the Exitus Elite. The person who was my sponsor before, apparently they quit. Why they quit, I don't know, right? I'm explaining that to you also. Which now is James Famba. So James Famba earned a 50% matching bonus of my total income. The beauty behind Power Lead System is only $54 a month. So once you get 3 people in, you pretty much have a free business opportunity. Or aside the business opportunity, you pretty much have a free system to brand yourself every step of the way, to make all your pages. With Power Lead System, you can take a 14-day trial, test it out, see everything that you get on the inside. After the 14 days, the monthly cycle begins, and you earn $20 per member per month. But this link right here, it says your sponsor's recommended income stream. They click that link, it sends them to whatever you're promoting online. So every time your team logs in, they're going to see that. That's how it promotes your Exitus Elite business. And with Exitus Elite, there's no waiting. As soon as you get paid, the money is available to you same day, instant commissions. One thing I want to point out to you, when you make the decision to get inside of G1000, G2000, become part of this additional coaching and inside information, things that we find out that you can use to enhance your business, we share those. Inside that group, we share things that you may not normally see on YouTube or on Facebook. 90% of people that come inside of Exitus Elite come in at that level. That Exitus Elite has a crazy ratio of having a high percentage of individuals come in at the $1,000 and $2,000 level. Come inside and get inside the group, you will see how many people actually come in at the $1,000 and $2,000 level. And these are individuals. When you think about $1,000 and $2,000 commissions, these are individuals They have the right mindset. That's a whole nother game plan, right? You don't have all these questions. You don't have all these issues, all the fear. You don't have individuals that are going to have doubts and all that, because that level of mindset is completely different from free and cheap, right? You don't have, see, with Exitus Elite, you don't have people coming in and quitting, okay? So you don't have to wait to see if the person's going to stay, because with Exitus Elite, you get paid immediately. So your income is not really depending on how many people you can get in that's going to stay, because as soon as they come in, you get paid, you got your money. So if you're looking for a way to get paid instantly, you don't want to have to wait for your money. You're looking for a quality system. You're looking for team training, support in the Facebook group and in our private team chat. You're looking to join somebody who's not jumping around from and promoting this and promoting that. Exitus Elite Exitus Elite is my primary business. Power Lead System is the tool suite I use. If you decide to go Power Lead System, fantastic. You don't want Power Lead System, great. You just want Exitus Elite, cool. You want this team sale page, I'll put it together for you. I will host it in my Power Lead System back office. But if you want to brand yourself every step of the way, I highly suggest you get Power Lead System. Or if you are in Power Lead System, but you're looking for direct, immediate, no waiting for your money, Exitus Elite is it. So listen, click the link down in the description, get involved, get all these team bonuses. Michael Petty signing off. See you in the next video.